Welcome to Solitaire. Foundation piles, tableau, stock. Our goal is to get all the cards from here up to there. 4 separate suits in sequence from ace up to king. So let's play. When you find an ace, move it up to the foundation pile. Cards move from black onto red, or red onto black, and low value onto higher value in sequence. The exposed card is then revealed. Where can this black 3 go? Aha! There's a 4. Oh, but it's a black 4, so it can't go there. But this black 10 can go on this red jack. The challenge of Solitaire is to uncover all the cards here and get them up there without getting stuck. Don't forget the stockpile. You can click on the stockpile and turn cards face up into the waste. When you find one that you can use, enter it into the game. What happens if you vacate a whole column? Only kings can be moved into vacated columns. As you play, if you reveal an ace, put it up into the foundation pile and stack cards according to suit. You can also move cards from the waste straight into a foundation pile. Sequences of cards can be moved as a pile. As you play, you may also need to move a card back from a foundation pile if there is somewhere for it to go. When the stockpile is empty, you redeal by clicking again on the stock. That's pretty much it, guys. Part of the fun is figuring out strategies as you go. Remember, Solitaire has another name, patience. And patience is bliss. Have fun! For more Solitaire games, go to solitairebliss.com.